Shenzhen MuQing Tech Company Limited is a professional mobile phone screen maintenance equipment company. We are located in Shenzhen, China. Our sales have many years' experience in mobile phone repair business line. Our main products are LCD repairing machine and tools for mobile phone. Our main products are LCD OCA lamination machine, laser machine, LCD separate machine, frame and bubble remover machine, freeze separate machine, glue remover tool, phone repair consumable. For better service for our customers, we provide one-stop purchasing for mobile phone spare parts, such as mobile phone LCD, mobile phone battery back glass cover, mobile phone housing, mobile phone flat cable, and a series accessories. Our products are exporting to foreign countries and regions such as Eastern Europe, Western Europe, North America, Southeast Asia, Asia, Africa, more than 20 countries. Our equipment fully conforms to international export standards, quality assurance, safety assurance. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our sales team work online more than 12 hours per day to teach customer how to use our machine. We offer fast lead time. MuQing products and services have gained a fantastic corporate reputation all over the world. To be our customer, let us take care of your business. Surprise is starting when you cooperate with us. Please contact us now.